What's up, YouTube? It's another AMC and GME update. Yeah, so at the end of the day, we had a little bit of movement going into the close, and yeah, I mean, GME was lagging. I don't know what. I honestly I don't know what GME's doing. I mean, we're making this kind of pennant pattern. You kind of see this. We have this. We have this. Flagpole, bull flag, and then we didn't really break out. We didn't really do anything. We just kept kind of bouncing around in this channel right here. Now we did make some kind of pennant, right here at the end of the day, and I don't know. It's like, did we break down from it? I mean, what are we doing here? For some reason, GME didn't want to do anything, but AMC decided, hey, we're gonna go retest $5. AMC's making this kind of U-shaped recovery. I mean, hey, you can't really ask for better than that. So we have this, trend down. We came here, and this is like kind of our distribution phase, and then hopefully we'll be able to break out. So we want to come up here, retest this channel, and then finally break back up again, and then maybe you can get a literally just like a cup and handle pattern and then go up. So that's we like to see this. We like to see strength today. We want to see a continuation of strength, and we want to see this channel, this distribution used as support. So literally around $5. We want $5 to become support, and we want to make a substantial move up going into Thursday and Friday. Anyways, that's just kind of an update on what happened today. Let's go to the daily chart and just kind of go over our whole plan again. So we had our accumulation phase. We finally had our trend long, so we finally had our breakout, and then we had a 2-year long distribution, 2-year long descending channel, and we finally broke down, and then we started showing signs of weakness, and we created this descending wedge, and then this recent price action, we finally broke out of this descending wedge, and then retested this channel, and now we're finding support. So what do we want to see? Well, we're already seeing a U-shaped recovery. That's good on a short-term time frame. On a daily time frame, we want to see a retest of this channel. We want to come into the channel, retest it, use it as support, and then we want to break the top of the channel. Now, when this will happen, I have no idea. Maybe it'll be around $20. Maybe it won't even take that long to happen. Maybe we can hit $20, use it as support, and then once we break the top of this channel, you can start seeing crazy numbers. Preferably we hit $115, $130, and we start using that as support. And it's like, looking at this chart really doesn't seem that crazy, does it? I mean, you had your trend long, you had your 2-year long distribution, you had your trend short, and now we can see a trend long again. And to me, if we start breaking $20, we start breaking the top of this channel, you can start seeing crazy numbers again. So this short is anything, this short squeeze is anything from over. If you want to call it a short squeeze, I don't know. I just call it like a meme stock mania kind of thing. It's it's just like when you have so many people in a stock, when you have so much volume, when you have so much liquidity, things can get very crazy, and you can see these very long and these very crazy chart patterns kind of play out. GME is kind of the same way on a larger time frame. Is if we can clear all this mess up, let's clear all this garbage out. Jesus. Jimmy, as you know, it's a different chart for sure. But you know, we have our flagpole, we have a bull flag, and then we're literally breaking out, and you can see crazy numbers again. This is, this is where I call Wyckoff reaccumulation. And this is our jump across the creek. This is, our upthrust. And now we need to start showing signs of strength. You need to start showing SOS, and so we need to start moving up. Maybe even retest this channel back at 16, preferably not even. We just need to start showing strength again. So yeah, you don't even need to look at this even as Wyckoff. It's pretty simple. You have your flagpole, 3-year long bull flag. And then you take your measure target, and then you're looking at 500, 600, even higher numbers. This thing can get pretty crazy. Hey, you tell me. What am I looking at? It seems pretty obvious, doesn't it? AMC is obviously a little bit different. It's a little bit harder because and instead of breaking out of this channel, we broke down. We started descending, and so AMC has a lot of work to do. AMC has to break the $20 mark, and then it can start going crazy. Preferably you kind of wanted to see more of a distribution. Accumulation. So we wanted to kind of see accumulation here, before we really saw, and that's kind of the deal, is that this move seems kind of premature, right? Because you would have expected us, to maybe chop around, maybe even till August, and boom, then shoot up. You have some kind of accumulation. We didn't really see any accumulation phase. It was just kind of like boom, broke out. Okay, we're here. Is that a deal breaker? For me, it's not really. If we break $6, $7 again, okay, I'm bullish. I don't care about any of that other shit, because now we're back in this channel. As soon as we're back in this channel, I'm extremely bullish. But yeah, there's just really nothing else to be said. Looking into tomorrow, we want to see a continuation, of this recovery. You want to see us come up. So we want to see maybe like a continuation up here. Boom. Find support, and then we can start moving up. And you kind of want to see a movement going into tomorrow and Friday, literally, because after we had this whole recovery right here, you want to see a strong move up, and you want to see it happen, maybe within the next 2 days, or maybe starting Monday and Tuesday. But you kind of want to see something happen pretty soon, and we want to be able to break $6-7 and then use it as support. And at that point, I'm gonna become pretty bullish. AMC's chart already looks bullish. GME on a 5-minute chart. I'm gonna be honest. I can't really provide any clarity on this, other than the fact that we did break this downtrend, and now we're in a no trend. This is a no trend. It's just kind of flat, but we did make this kind of pennant pattern. So preferably tomorrow, we want to see a bounce, and we want to see a break up, and then go retest these levels going into next week. I don't know what just happened there. Okay, but yeah, and let's look at Nvidia. Nvidia might be able to prop up the markets. They had a really good earnings report, and we're above $1,000. That is insane. That is insane. If we go to the 4-hour chart, we could literally go to what, 1,080, 1,090, 1,100. That's like, at that point, I'd be short. At that point, I'd be short. You kind of have this you have this channel here. Yeah, at that point, I mean, what is it at? Like 2.5 trillion market cap? That's insane. Anyways, so that's actually bullish for us. Meme stocks tend to move differently from equities and differently from the rest of the market, but that's still a very bullish thing. It means that we're still kind of in a bull market. And yeah, we're seeing a U-shaped recovery. AMC, we want to use $5 as support. Want to get above $6-7. Same thing with GME. You want to see some good volume, some good upper movement going into 20, going to the 30s and 40s, going into Friday and next week. And that's pretty much the whole video. It's pretty simple. AMC needs to get back in this channel, and then GME literally just needs to start showing signs of strength, more volume, making higher highs, and we are going to the fucking moon. And yeah, thanks for watching. It's pretty much a whole video. I mean, there's really nothing else to be said. We could easily hit $130 AMC. We could hit $500 GME. So hold on tight. And I'm gonna check in with you guys tomorrow.